Okay guys, welcome back to Girl Car Mods by me. So today I'm going to be working on my 2006 Toyota Scion TC. She has sadly experienced a whole lot of sun damage. She's rusting, she's peeling, and it's just terrible. And if you don't know, we live down south, so it's dry and barren and really extremely hot. They told me it was going to actually be $1,000 to replace her, but I said, nah, fuck that, I'm going to do it myself. So these are the things that you are going to be needing. I do recommend you get some help because it is a two-person job, but do not buy any of these products unless you are old enough to use them or wise enough to use them. Overall, I mainly use the strength paint remover and not the Goo Gone. I don't know, do what's best for you. So I worked on starting. Then actually my homie pulled up to help me mod cars, and I was struggling turning off the water because I was so excited to put his butt to work. So when he got here, he started really putting in that elbow grease to get that paint off, okay? Yeah, he ain't waste no time. And this was our process after doing one coat. Actually, we had to use more and more strength remover, and then we got in there with little tool brushes and we just really scrubbed our elbows. And then we started taking turns putting on the primer, putting on different layers of coats, and then after this we just let it sit and dry for a while. So after we did that, we put on the black paint and we let it sit and dry. We're actually gonna do a few more coats because you can still see the primer, but actually, hey, it looks better than what it did before, and I saved myself $1,000, so yeah, go ahead and do it. I recommend it.